So hi everyone, in this video we will going to learn that how to create on select copy using the JavaScript on the HTML page. So we will going to create somewhat like this page. Okay, so here I will show you that on select whatever we have selected on the HTML page will automatically copy to the clipboard, and you can see as a testing also, so it can be reflected on the pre-tab also, and we will paste it on this text area also. So using this also we can do it. Okay, CMD I will show you that it will be accessible to the outside of the web page also. So you can see that we can paste it here also on the CMD. So in this way we can do it. So in this video we will going to see that how to create somewhat like this. Okay, on select copy. So hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about that how to copy the content from an open file, okay, using the on select function. So when we select a particular text from the text area or pre-tag, it should be copied to the clipboard, and for this we will going to code using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So in this video we will going to learn that. So first of all we will start with the HTML. So let's start with the HTML. We have created this. So now we will going to name the title. Okay, on select copied to clipboard using JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Okay, now we need to import the CSS for it. Done. Now here we need to import the JavaScript, src script.js. Okay, done. So now inside the HTML we will create a division with a class name as container. Okay, so inside this all things will going to wrap up. Now we will create an input file tag for getting the file inside the HTML. Okay, so we have done with our file. Now we need to create a button so that the button will going to reload the page. Okay, so let's create a button with a reload class, and we will name it as a refresh page. Done. Now we'll create an output tag for the text area so that whatever has been copied should be so this is our main area. So this is our main area in which we will going to copy, we will going to insert our file content. Okay, so done. So you are done with it. Now for testing purpose we will see that inside the pre-tag on select we can see that the content has been copied. So for that we will create a select tag, pre-tag for this. So whatever has been copied will be shown on this pre-tag. Okay, now finally for testing the pasting. Okay, for testing that paste is working or not, we will create another text area for it, text area with the same output class. Okay, we don't need these all, so we will delete it. So we are done with our HTML. Okay, now we will move to CSS. So inside this CSS we will start with the body tag, display, flex, direction as column, so all the content will be aligned, center, margin top 200 pixel. Done. Now for text area we will do white space, pre-wrap, word wrap, break word, so it will be in the pre-formatted way. Okay, we will get the content as in pre-formatted way on the text area. Auto, then resize both. Done. Done with the text area also. Now I need to do with the container. Okay. Also flex direction column. Then flex wrap should be wrap. Now gap we will take as 10 pixel. Border will take as 2 pixel width. Solid type and with the golden color. Now we will take the margin as 10 pixel. Padding also 10 pixel. Now we'll take the background color. Okay, done. You can see on the screen. Okay, let me reload the live server. So it will take the action reflection. So you can see that we have created somewhat like this. Okay. Now we'll move to the reload button. We will make the height of the reload button as 25 pixel. Okay. Then width as 100 pixel. We will add one other thing, shadow 30 pixel. Okay. Now it's done. We will do all the things with the output tag also. So what we will going to do, we will just copy this. Okay. Copy this and paste it here. Sorry for that. So we are done with the CSS. Now we'll move to the JavaScript. So first of all, we'll create event listener for the select event. Document.query selector. Inside this, we will select the input class. Then we'll add event listener to it. Inside this, we will select function. We'll create a function for it. So let's create here. So e.target dot value dot substring. So inside this substring, we will start with the target dot selection start. Okay, so it will start the selection. Then we will do it with the selection end. Okay. So actually, this selection will work as whatever text we have selected. It will copy that text as a variable. And now we will pass. We will assign the selection to the pre-tag. Okay. Now for that we will do document.query selector as here inside this we will mention the pre-tag. Now the text content of the pre-tag should be selection. Okay. So whatever selection has been got, it should be assigned to the pre-tag. Okay. Now we will select the pre-tag text content. Okay. Now we'll select the pre-tag text content, and that text content will copied to the clipboard. Okay. Using the navigator API. Okay. Copy, then write text. So inside this we will assign the pre-tag. Okay. Then if the if the copied has been done on the pre-tag, okay, to the clipboard. Okay. So it will show us an alert tag. Okay, alert message that the copy has been done. Okay, using this. So till this we are done with this. Okay. Now for opening the file we will create another event listener. So again for selector, select the input tag, again add an event listener. So it will be like this function. So now inside this we will create an file, a reader object through which we will going to select our file reader. Okay, now the function for, let me do it, function for onload file. Okay, so again file reader dot, when it will going to onload, this function should be triggered. So inside this function we will mention our output location. So where should be the file content loaded? Okay, so it should be loaded inside the text area. Okay, so we will going to select the text area. Okay, so the text area class is input. Okay, now we know that it should be with the value, and now finally file reader dot result. Okay, so this will load all the content of the file, and we are assigning that content of the file to the text area, which is having a class. Okay, this one, where is it is, okay, this text area which is having a class input. So all this file content will be assigned to the text area. So till this we are done. Now the final step would be file reader dot read as text. Okay, text. So inside this we will mention this dot files. So this will going to load the first file. Okay, so we can select a multiple file also, but we just want to select a single file and show that output on the text area, so we are using only 0th position of the file text. Okay, so we are done with this. Now finally auto resize text area. Okay, so for that we will going to do something. So first of all we need to select the input tag. Okay, and here we will make the width 20 pixels. Then again document 20 put, that's all height. So this should be like over 40. Okay. So we are done till this. Finally what we will going to do, we will make another event listener for refreshing of the page. So for that, document.query selector, select the reload button, then attach the event listener. So when we click on this, the page going to reload or say refresh. So for that we will do window dot location dot reload. Okay, done. So we are done with the JavaScript also. So let's try and see what it will give us. So we are on the page. Okay, so now select file and let's see. So in this way we can get the output. Okay, so let us select something from this. Okay, why it's not working? Again select it. So guys, one thing was missing there, so I have forgot to mention E here. Okay, so after mentioning E we are getting the result. Okay, inside the JavaScript file. So let me show you. We will select a file and let's see that whether on select a copy is working or not. Okay, now must select a file. So let's see that whether it is working or not. Okay, so we will select like I have selected this line. So when we select it, a prompt an alert box will be shown like this, and it will show us that copy to the clipboard. Also, whatever file or line we have selected, it will shown on the pre tag also. Okay, so now our selection has been copied to the clipboard, so we can paste it anyway. Okay, so for that we are here. So when I paste the content here, so it has been pasted. Okay, also this content will be copied to the outside also. So let us show you that. You can see that we are able to paste it on the CMD also. Okay, so in this way we can work. So this is how our copy function would work. Okay, like this it will be work. So on select, it will going to copy all the content. Okay, it will going to copy all the content, and it will show us on the pre tag also, and then we can paste it. So in this way we can do, guys. So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this.